Life really is very noisy, isn't it? It's busy, it's chaotic, we're always on the go. And so, a question that I've been asked by many young people that I've worked with over many years, and indeed many friends, is how do we actually discern God's voice above all the noise? Well, I'm quite a big believer in, aside from the worldly sense of having that gut feeling, actually, that if we're Christians and constantly asking the Holy Spirit to top us up and refresh us, that actually it's from that sense of the Holy Spirit gut feeling that we can often know and determine what God's voice on situations is. For me, I know that actually as I pray, as I commit things to God, I've got big decisions to make or things to consider, that it's actually in the midst of that I say, God, please give me that sense of peace or a sense of unrest that would help me determine which way is your will for me or the direction of travel to move in. Somebody once said to me many years ago as well, Rachel, God guides a moving vehicle, that actually if there's decisions to be made, pray about it, go for it, apply for the job, look at the house, look at the school or whatever, and determine that actually God will make everything come together if you're just seeking to be in the centre of his will. So I think it's those two things, isn't it? Trusting the Holy Spirit will guide you, seeking God, going deeper, and knowing that actually whilst you're on the move, if God's in control and in the driving seat, then what can go wrong?